Well, as you know, living right across the street from Walt Disney World, there's never a dull moment in our lives. People are always coming and traveling to visit, we're hanging out with them, but there's never quite an exciting moment as when a package arrives at our door from Hawaii.
We love Hawaii.
We do love Hawaii.
Hawaii is really important to us. You know, we got married there. We've gone back twice since we got married there. When a gift comes from there, we get really excited. But who's it from? When we were in Hawaii the first time, which is also when we got married there, we really wanted to go to a coffee farm because they are famous for their Kona coffee on the Big Island. And we happened to find Heavenly Hawaiian Farms while we were there. And we fell in love with it. It was just a magical day and honestly put us at such ease before our wedding, which can be a kind of a scary day. And it definitely, when we went back the second year for our anniversary, it was the first thing we made sure we could do was go to Heavenly Hawaiian.
Yeah, it really made such a difference in our trip.
Yeah.
So much so that we've been back the second time we were in Kona, which was the only other time we were in Kona, and that we felt extreme guilt for visiting Oahu and Hawaii this time without going to the farm in Kona.
That's true.
That was the dog. So even though we didn't make it there on this particular Hawaii trip, we have been keeping in touch with everyone at the farm because they are some of the most important people to us. I mean, they were there for our wedding day in some regards.
Yeah, that's true.
So in keeping in touch, they have sent us some of the stuff from their farm to try. Oh, I can actually smell that.
It smells like coffee.
All right.
There might be coffee inside.
So, happy belated anniversary to us. Thank you to Heavenly Hawaiian. Let's see what's in this FedEx package.
Yay!
Uh-oh, there's lots of good stuff in here. All right, ready?
I'm ready. What is it?
Ooh, I just dumped this FedEx bag out here on the table in front of us. You can see this excited smile on his face.
Oh no, I'm really excited.
All right, so I think the first thing we got, I mean, what else do you get from a Kona coffee farm? Kona coffee. Also, I love their logo.
I know, me too.
I mean, all I picture is standing on the balcony overlooking the shore of Hawaii with a coffee cup with that logo on it.
It's the best.
Yeah.
It really is.
Yeah, so we have some estate beans here and extra fancy beans. We can't enjoy this morning because we don't have a bean grinder since we moved. We have to buy a new one. Oops. Time to get a bean grinder.
I'll go grab one of those, yeah.
But coffee's not all Heavenly Hawaiian makes. There's snacks in front of us.
Okay.
And I just remember sitting there sampling the snacks with Bill on our second trip as we were talking about what brought us back to the farm. Because again, you go and visit the farm when you're back in Hawaii.
Right. And their snacks are honestly like the best thing we brought home.
Which one do you want to talk about first?
Let's
save this for last.
Okay.
Let's go here, these.
Okay.
All right. Dreamsicle Mac Nuts. So it is there are macadamia nut trees on the farm as well. So they dip their own macadamia nuts in a creamsicle style white chocolate. We didn't bring any of this home last time, which I was super upset about. I am so glad we have this now.
Yeah, I'm really excited. These are chocolate covered Kona coffee beans, which honestly I'm dying to open right now, but I'm gonna wait till we open the last thing first.
Because what Ed means to say is he's going to eat the entire package of the last thing. I'm just gonna start by tantalizing you with the ingredients from this one. Macadamia nuts, sugar, Hawaiian coffee espresso, butter, salt, baking soda, and Hawaiian ground coffee. And if I remember correctly, and don't quote me on this, but I feel like it's a story we were told, this item that's in my hand won the coffee festival somewhere in Hawaii one year, we were told. Keep in mind, it's not coffee. It is Kona coffee brittle.
You guys, this is literally like the best thing we've ever snacked on, I think. And we got it twice. It is the #1 gift I would recommend for people who go to the Big Island and go to Kona. It is so good. It's just delicious. We brought some home to my sister in Connecticut. I love it.
So I think since we can't have the coffee because we don't have a bean grinder.
Let's open it.
This is what we're gonna have today. But first, I gotta show you everything that we got from Heavenly Hawaiian, and we send them a huge thank you for this. We are so excited.
You mean a huge mahalo.
A huge mahalo.
Yes.
I'm so excited.
Me too.
Okay, since we can't have the coffee today, let's eat the rest of the farm. Let's start opening everything. We're gonna open it all. Ooh. Okay, I got those open. Okay, come on.
This is the one I'm excited for right now.
All right, you want to start with brittle? All right, Ed's got the brittle open and ready to go.
It smells insanely good.
All right, so check out this brittle.
Look at that. Look at that. All the nuts inside of there. It's amazing.
It is so good.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Ready? What's really nice about this is you do taste the coffee. You 100% know it's a nice smooth coffee taste. But you do get the sweet, like almost like a toffee, like when you have a brittle, like a peanut brittle. But it is mac nuts. Honestly, it's just a perfect balance of salty, sweet, and then like another flavor with the coffee. I love it.
That is so good. I'm not a brittle person, and I love that brittle. I get to pick the next item that we're gonna have here. Next item, I'm going for a dreamsicle mac nut. Smell this. It actually smells like there's an orange peel in here that's been cracked
Yeah, it
up.
really does.
All right, go for a dreamsicle.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. These things, they're also huge. All right, am I gonna try to take a bite of this to show the mac? Let's see what I can do. We'll both try, see what we can do. Mine broke.
You can see that there's a layer of like the orange, and it looks like a chocolate shell maybe. And then inside is that white, that is the mac nut.
I kind of want another one. It is so good though, because you're right. That is a chocolate shell that it tastes like. I can't tell. I don't think there's coffee in it. Hold on. There's not. But it is such a good balance of that orange, and then you get the little bit of the chocolate, which kind of evens it out. But you're right. That actually tastes like there's real orange.
Yeah.
You're eating an orange with a mac nut in the center. I can't explain it. HeavenlyHawaiian.com and order yourself some of these dreamsicle mac nuts. Go order them. We're going to try these next.
Okay.
Chocolate covered Kona coffee bean. Ready?
Oh, I'm so ready.
We're both coffee drinkers. Ed, much more so than me. I love my Kona coffee and special coffees. I'm not a general coffee drinker. I will eat these all day long.
You know, because it's the Kona coffee bean, which is less acidic and everything, it really is such a smooth coffee flavor. With that chocolate on there, oh my gosh.
So we're going to go bounce off the walls for the evening.
Yeah,
You can already hear I'm talking faster. No, I'm just joking. And we'll get ourselves a bean grinder, and we need to try out both of those coffees from Heavenly Hawaiian.
Yeah, but please, while we do that, go look for these
Go order
snacks.
snacks.
Yeah, they're the best.
We'll be back with cups of coffee.